I'm 680 News Senior Business Editor Mike Eppel. Well, we haven't seen a day like today on the markets in decades. Got to go back to the 1940s, the last time the Toronto stock market had an intraday drop of more than 11%. Wall Street, the Dow saw its worst day since 1987. Markets selling off, didn't matter what asset class. Just the risk of coronavirus spreading and denting the global economy. The Trump administration planned to ban travel between the U.S. and Europe, and no real stimulus plan to speak of. Didn't exactly go over well with investors. And the European Central Bank, they added some stimulus by buying bonds, but didn't cut interest rates today. Another blow to the market, which was poised for some sort of intervention from either policymakers or political types, and we saw the selling early and often. In fact, the circuit breakers were triggered twice on Wall Street today, just due to the rapid pace of the decline. We also saw the price for oil hit a 5-year low, as that price war doesn't seem to be going anywhere between Saudi Arabia and Russia, and the slumping global economy will lead to a drop-off in demand for crude, so it was down around $31 a barrel U.S. And the Canadian dollar hit a 4-year low today. Terrible timing if you are going away for March break into the States. Well, the loonie on the exchange rate is now north of $1.38. Canadian dollar down along with the price for oil and bonds. Carnival Cruise Lines is docking one of its flagship brands, Princess Cruise Lines, announcing those ships are going to come into port for the next 60 days. The cruise ship industry has been decimated by the spread of COVID-19. The stocks in this sector have been crushed. Carnival, over the past 5 days, down by 35% and well over 50% on the year so far. And the U.S. travel ban with Europe just hit the airlines again today. American Airlines, for example, down about 8%. Delta, which has a lot of international destinations, down by 13%. And the big question, is a deal between Air Canada and Air Transat going to go forward? Consider that Air Transat's share price today was down to $10. Air Canada agreed to buy it for $18. Does it need to be repriced or just pulled off the table in the short term? Air Canada's share price down over 10% today as well. From the 680 Newsroom, I'm Mike Eppel for City News.